Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home organization solutions. Today, we're diving into the VIPEK V12 heavy-duty rolling garment rack, a versatile and sturdy storage solution for your wardrobe needs. Let's get into it. Hey there, I'm your host, and in this video, we're going to explore the VIPEK V12 heavy-duty rolling garment rack. If you're someone who's been struggling with closet space or looking to add some extra storage to your home, you're in the right place. Stick around as we delve into the features, assembly process, and overall functionality of this garment rack. Now, let's talk about what sets the VIPEK V12 apart from other garment racks on the market. First off, its adjustable shelves and double hanging rods offer customizable storage options to accommodate different clothing items, from bulky winter coats to delicate dresses. Plus, with its side hooks, you can easily hang accessories like scarves or belts for easy access. As you can see here, adjusting the shelves and hanging rods is a breeze, allowing you to maximize vertical space and keep your wardrobe organized and accessible. One thing that really stands out about the VIPEK V12 is its build quality. Constructed from high-quality iron pipe and powder-coated for added durability, this garment rack is built to last. Whether you're using it in your bedroom, laundry room, or even a clothing store, you can trust that it will hold up to daily use. Take a look at this close-up. You can see the sturdy construction and the powder-coated finish that not only adds to its durability but also protects it from water and rust, ensuring it stays looking great for years to come. Now, let's talk about assembly. While the VIPEK V12 does require some assembly, it's relatively straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. Be sure to follow the included instructions carefully, and you'll have your garment rack up and ready to use in no time. Here's a quick time-lapse of the assembly process. As you can see, it's not overly complicated, and with a little bit of time and effort, you'll have your garment rack assembled and ready to go. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up our review of the VIPEK V12 heavy-duty rolling garment rack. If you're in need of a versatile storage solution that's built to last, look no further than this impressive garment rack. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and home organization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.